All right, so as promised, I wanted to take a couple minutes to show you how to fix this situation and get it flush and secure. Rather than pull on it and try to get it to stick and not sit exact, we're gonna remove these two bolts with a 5mm Allen key. All right, so 1, 2, keep those washers in place. That'll allow you to just pop this right off. Then you have the housing right here. All right, so there's two pieces here that are attached to the headlight. There's a plastic clip. If you push down on these two rubber ends, you can pop that out. Okay, just slide that up. And then what we're gonna do is pull this rubber gasket off, separate the three pieces. Now pull the taillight or the turn signal through and the rubber through, and then reassemble it on the other side. And then that'll make pushing it flush from this side a lot easier than pulling it from the other side. Just kind of work around. All right, there you go. Now it's seated properly. And we're gonna take that plastic piece, work it in, have it clip into where the rubber holds it on the top and the bottom. Then all you gotta do is screw it back on. And there you go. It's flush all the way around, dead straight, secure. These things are designed to pop out to avoid damaging them. But if you get them seated right, they shouldn't pop out too easy.